In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down menu to your Wix website, a feature that enhances your site's navigation and improves user experience. Let's start by logging into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix.com website, enter your login details, and gain access to your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your sites. Find the website where you'd like to add a drop-down menu and click on Edit Site. This will take you directly to the Wix editor. Now that we're in the editor, look for the Manage menu, or sometimes it might appear as Site menu on the interface, and it's usually easily accessible, so keep an eye out for it in the options. When you click on Manage menu, a pop-up will appear giving you options to edit the existing menu structure or add new items. Here we'll need to click on Add Menu Item. This is where you'll start creating the structure that will house your drop-down options. After that, click on either plus Add Link or plus New Page. This decision depends on what you want the drop-down menu to link to. Whether it's a new page, an external URL, or an anchor link within a page, select the option that aligns with your design goals. Creating a hierarchy is crucial for drop-down menus, and this step helps achieve that. By slightly moving the new menu item to the right, you turn it into a sub-item under the main menu. This action creates the drop-down effect when your users hover or click on the main menu item. Feel free to repeat this process to add all the links you want your drop-down menu to contain. Next, it's time to customize the design of your drop-down to suit the overall look and feel of your website. Click on Design to access a range of styling options. Here you can adjust the colors, hover effects, font size, and even add animations. All of these settings allow you to create a visually appealing and functional menu. Before we finalize everything, it's a good idea to see how it all comes together. Click on Preview to test your new drop-down menu. Check how it operates when users interact with it. Does it look good? Is it responsive? Make these assessments to ensure it's working as expected. Once you're satisfied with the performance and aesthetic of your drop-down menu, the final step is to make it live. Click on Publish. This makes your updates visible to all your site visitors, completing the process. And that's it. You've successfully added a drop-down menu to your Wix website. This feature not only declutters your main navigation bar, but also enhances the user experience by organizing your links more effectively.